Hello friends, this is Varsha Parashar, Department of Chemical Engineering, KK Bagh Engineering and Research College, Nasik. Today we are going with reactor design in chemical reaction engineering. In reactor design, the content of reactor design is chemical reactors, performance design equation for single fluid reacting in three ideal reactors. Third one is conversion of reaction in a reactor. Then we'll discuss about batch reactor design equation and its examples. Fifth one is CSTR and PFR design equation and its example. Sixth one is reactor sizing examples based on CSTR and PFR design equations. Next, firstly, we'll discuss about chemical reactors. In chemical reactors, a chemical reactor is enclosed with a volume in which a chemical reaction takes place. So, in chemical engineering, will generally understood to a process vessel used to carry out a chemical reaction, which one of the classic unit operations in chemical process analysis. Also, for design in chemical reactor deals with the multiple aspects of chemical engineering, that is chemical engineers design reactors to maximize for net present value for the given reactor or reaction. So in chemical reactors, the design of chemical reactors, we have to consider the parameters firstly, such as operating conditions, production rate, mode of operation, heat and mass, transfer effects, and material of the construction and cost. So in chemical reactors, firstly, we'll discuss about basics of chemical reactors, that is basics from batch reactor, CSTR reactor, PFR reactor or flow reactors, etc. Firstly, we'll discuss about batch reactor. The batch reactor is the simplest, one of the simplest type of chemical reactor, that is batch reactor. In this, material are loaded into a batch reactor and the reaction proceeds with time. So in batch reactor does not reach a steady state and control of temperature and pressure also, or its volume is often quite necessary. So many batch reactors therefore have port for sensors and material input and output. So this is the general basic diagram of batch reactor. In this, batch reactor are typically used in small scale production and also a reaction with biological material such as in brewing, pulping and production of enzymes. This is the one of the basic example of batch reactor is a pressure reactor. So here we see the batch reactor diagram, basic batch reactor diagram in this figure, closed batch unit. Next, B is a continuous reactor. After batch reactor, we'll discuss about CSTR. CSTR, the full form is continuous stirrer tank reactor. And in this reactor, one or more fluid reagents and are introduced into a reactor, which is typically stirrer with an impeller to ensure the proper mixing of the reagents. So here this figure is shows the general basic diagram of CSTR reactor. Here you all see the inlet point at the left side of the top corner, and will see a stirrer impeller that will stir the reactor solution continuously, driving the volume of this tank. Average volumetric flow rate through the tank gives the space time or time required to process one reactor volume fluid. So this reactor is using chemical kinetics and reaction expected percentage completion can be calculated with the help of CSTR reactor. Next, C. PFR reactor. PFR reactor is sometimes called continuous tubular reactor, CTR, or piston flow reactor also. In this reactor model, we use to describe chemical reactions in continuous manner because flowing system is in the form of cylindrical geometry, and the PFR model is used to predict the behavior of chemical reactors or of such designs. So here you all see the one of the basic diagram of PFR reactor in this figure. We'll see the reactant will feed from the left of the cylindrical corner, and at the mid of the this PFR reactor plug flow, no radial variation in velocity, concentration, temperature, and reaction rate. So the key reactor variable of this PFR reactor, such as dimensions of the reactor, can be estimated. So this is the PFR basics of PFR reactors, or also with the help of this batch continuous or PFR reactor will clear the concept about chemical reactors. Next, next we'll discuss the one of the most important part, that is the performance design equation for single fluid reacting in ideal reactor, or we can say with the help of three ideal reactor, that is batch, PFR, and CSTR reactor. And this performance design equation is very important for all of chemical reactors, because in this performance design equation will show the material balance, how we apply the material balance, or how we find the conversion equation with the help of input or feed material. So in this performance design equation for single fluid reactor, three ideal reactors will continue with the help of ideal reactors. So here you all see the diagram A, B, and C. A is batch reactor diagram, B is PFR reactor, plug flow reactor, and C is mixed flow reactor. So these ideal reactors are easy to treat and simple form of mass and energy conservation equations are applicable to them. So these ideal reactor represent extreme in mixing states, that is first one is no mixing and second is complete mixing. So real reactors approach either of the type to the varying degree, or these models suitably corrected for deviation from ideal may be used at starting point in the analysis and also in design of real reactors. So with the help of these ideal reactors will proceed the material balance over the element volume of that particular any of that particular reactor. So we'll start the point of design reactor. Is the material balance written for a reactant or product. So this is a cubic form of the volume of the reactor. We'll see in this diagram, we'll see the reactant in the as a feed in the this reactor element, or we'll see the reactant out from the other phase of this elemental volume phase of reactor. So in the upper side of the element of the this, that is the shows the element of the reactor volume. So other phase, or we can say the bottom phase, is shows the reactant accumulated within the elements, and reactant disappear by reaction within the element. So as in the form of equation, or also we can say the material balance equation, mole basis for any reactant A at any instant of time t is derived by the rate of, at the material balance equation, we put the left hand side of the rate of flow of A into the element of the reactor volume in moles per unit time, that is should always is equal to the rate of flow of A out of element of reactor volume at that particular moles and that per unit time, plus rate of loss of A due to chemical reaction within the element of reactor volume moles per unit time, plus rate of accumulation of A in element of reactor volume. So in the form of easy, we can say that input should always is equal to, in the material balance or energy balance conversion equation, input should always is equal to output plus disappear plus accumulation. After this performance equation, or in this performance equation, firstly we know about the performance advantage of this particular equation, balance equation, for finding the product. So in this equation we'll see the how we calculate the input with respect output or accumulation. Next we'll discuss conversion. So after the basic chemical reactors, or after discussion of basics of chemical reactors, we'll discuss about conversion. And with the help of journal will consider the journal reaction, that is AA plus BB is equal to CC plus reactant coefficient D and product with D. So here we choose the basic calculation with the help of simple chemical reaction. Basics of calculation based on limiting reactant. So firstly we'll see the conversion of species A in a reaction is equal to the number of moles of A reacted per moles of A in feed. So this is the general formula of XA, or this XA, that is the mole fraction of A, is apply for batch reactor or flow reactor. With this formula, that is convert into XA is equal to Na naught minus Na upon Na naught, or for flow reactor, that is should XA is equal to initial flow rate initial at A naught minus Fa upon Fa naught. For irreversible reactions, the maximum volume of the conversion X is, that for complete conversion that should is equal to X is equal to 1. Or for reversible reactions, the maximum volume of conversion X is the volume conversion, that is equal to the final conversion is equal to the initial conversion. So after conversion we'll discuss about batch reactor design equation. In batch reactor design equation, number of initial moles of A minus final moles of A upon initial moles, that equation is after proceed will change in final number of moles A is equal to Na naught minus Na. N. So here you all see when we'll put the value of Na, that is convert into the x is equal to Na naught 1 minus x. So batch reactor design equation, you all see that the general differential form of dNA upon dt is equal to, in next term, Ra into V will convert minus Na naught dx upon dt when we put the value of Na, number of moles of final A will find is equal to Ra into V at the time is equal to 0 or x is equal to 0 limit. Then we'll find the integral form of this batch reactor design equation, that is T is equal to Na naught integration of 0 to x dx upon minus Ra V. The longer the reactants are left in the reactor, the greater will be the conversion. So for constant batch reactor case, V is equal to final volume is equal to initial value. So when we put the final initial volume at the place of final initial volume, dNA upon dt is equal to RAV will convert into 1 upon V naught dNA upon dt, that will is equal to dNA upon V naught upon dt is equal to, or we all know very well Na upon V naught, that is equal to Ca. So you all see dCA upon dt should is equal to Ra. That is the used for analyzing the rate data in a batch reactor. Next we'll discuss the design equation for, or sorry for forwarding the slide. Next we'll discuss the example, or a example based on calculation of conversion concentration of the feed, entering concentration that of a, a reactant or Ca and the entering molar flow rate. So here you all see, next we'll apply the design equation of that reactor, that is Ca naught is equal to Ya naught P naught upon RT naught. Then when we'll see with the help of this given data, next we'll put the one by one value of concentration, mole fraction of initial A, rate constant value of 8.314, temperature, given temperature that is 500 K or 830, entering reactor with volumetric flow rate that is 830, or will find the final calculation of Ca naught, that is 0.20 mole per dm cube. So here we know very well the Fa naught should is equal to a Ca naught V naught. So it's come after multiplication will find 0.4 mole per second. So this is the feed rate, that is Fa equal to 0.4 mole per second is in the range of that which is necessary to form several million pounds of product per year. So next we'll discuss the design equation for CSTR design for CSTR reactor. CSTR continuous stirrer tank reactor design equation for volumetric flow rate will is equal to the flow rate, initial flow rate minus final flow rate upon rate of reaction of that particular basic reaction. that we discuss beginning of the design equation slide. So it will convert when flow rate of Fa is equal to Fa naught into 1 minus x. So after substitution of value of Fa, will find the Fa naught minus Fa naught 1 minus x. So here we'll find the final formula V is equal to Fa naught x upon minus Ra at the exact point. So because of this reactor perfectly mixed, the exist composition from the reactor is identical to the composition inside the reactor, and the rate of reaction is evaluated at the exist point of the condition. So after CSTR design equation, we'll discuss about PFR design equations. In PFR design equation, you all see the design formula of based on flow rate of A, that is Fa is equal to Fa naught by minus x, will differential form of dFA is equal to minus Fa naught dx. So the differential after will modified format of in the form of differential form will find dFA with change of flow rate of A with respect to change of volume will is equal to Ra. So in differential form will, when we put the value of Fa, will find the Fa naught at a coefficient value or change of moles of or conversion x A upon with volume, that is equal to minus Ra at limit of volume is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0, when we'll find the integral form of this PFR design equation in the form of V is equal to Fa naught limit of 0 to x dx upon minus Ra. This is the integral form of PFR design equation. Next, PBR. PBR design equation is the packed bed reactor design equation. The full form of PBR is packed bed reactor. In this reactor, this will also use for chemical engineering, chemical reaction engineering point of view. In chemical reactors, you all see how we use packed bed reactor, or this packed bed reactor used as a chemical reactor for analyzing reactors that have pressure drop along the length of the reactor. So this packed bed reactor, the design equation of this packed bed design equation of this reactor is Fa naught dx upon dw is equal to minus Ra, or integral form of packed bed reactor design equation is W is equal to Fa naught 0 to x dx, change of conversion with respect to rate, reaction rate. So used with the absence of pressure drop. Next, after overall discussion of the content, last for least we'll discuss the examples or reactor sizing examples based on CSTR or PFR reactors with the help of given data, or with the help of reactor design equation will find the change of conversion with reaction rate in CSTR or PFR reactor. As you all see, with this graphical representation diagram of CSTR and PFR in this example, in this given example. ठीक है, ठीक है. Next, we'll consider the isothermal gas phase isomerization reactor. We are going to laboratory to determine the rate of chemical reaction as the function of conversion of reactant A. So with the help of this table data, we'll see the value of given in given data from 0 to 0.8 or raw data of that rate, that is 0.45 or 0.37 or 0.30. So with the help of this design equation, we'll calculate the value of conversion of that reactant. Next, this is also the calculation data of that particular basic chemical reaction, that is A is equal to B plus C. In this irreversible or reversible reaction, we'll see when we apply the particular limit or initial to final limit of that reaction calculations, we'll find the value of that particular data or conversion of rate of that particular reaction. This is the final calculation or plot of proceed with the help of data, that is conversion X with the help of given data. Next, this is one of the another example reaction of derived by the data in this table with the help of given previous example table data. A is convert into B using with the table data 2.2 or 2.3. With the help of figure 2.1, will calculate the volume or necessary to achieve 80% conversion in a CSTR. So with the help of V is equal to CSTR design equation FA naught X upon minus RA exit. This is the further calculation of this remaining calculation of this example. This is the point as the conversion point X is equal to 0.2. Will calculate the corresponding reactor volume using Simpson rule with del X is equal to 0.1 and the data in rows 1 and 4 in this table with the help of 2.3. Next, this is also one of the example based on CSTR and PFR design equation with the help of given data. This table data will proceed the calculation of the achieved feed condition for different cases. Thank you.